Welcome back. Myself, Mrs. Felina Gonsalves, teacher Chitvita Mandir, English High School, Maharashtra Board, Vasai. Today, we are going to continue with chapter 18 of Science for Standard 7th. The topic is sound. Let's know about high and low pitch of sound. The sensation of a sound wave's frequency is called a pitch. A high frequency, such as a dog whistle, is called high pitch, and a low frequency sound, like a bass drum, is low pitch. Let's try this. Take a wooden bowl about 80 to 90 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. Hammer two nails into it, each a few centimeter away from its two ends. Tie the end of a thin metal wire to the nails so that the wire is stretched tightly between them. Insert a wedge-shaped wood or plastic block under the wire near each of the nail and plug the wire tightly. Did you hear any sound? Observe whether the wire vibrates. Now insert 2 or 3 small rectangular blocks below the wedge-shaped block on one side in such a way that the length of the wire does not change. Observe whether there is any change in the tension in the wire. Now plug the wire with your finger and listen to the sound. Also watch the vibration. Note the difference you see in its frequency. You will know that when the tension in the wire is increased, the frequency is seen to increase, and when it's reduced, frequency is also seen to decrease. We also perceive differences in the sound generated. When the tension is increased, the resulting sound is shrill. When tension is reduced, the sound is also less shrill. That is what is called the high and low pitch of sound. Let's know about intensity of sound. Sound energy flowing per second through a unit area held perpendicular to the direction of a sound wave is called the intensity of sound. Loudness or softness of sound is indicated by two terms, namely intensity of sound and sound level. Sound level is the intensity of sound as preserved by our ears. The intensity of sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of vibration. For example, if the amplitude is double, the intensity of sound becomes 4 times as much. The decibel is a unit for measuring sound level. It was named decibel in honor of the work of the scientist Alexander Graham Bell. The magnitude of sound level, decibel, can be deduced from the intensity of the sound using a mathematical formula. When intensity of sound becomes 10 times the original, the sound level increases by 10 decibels. Let's know about sound level of some common sound. Decibel level of some common sound are: beginning of audible sound, that is 0 decibel. Normal breathing is 10 decibel. Murmuring from 5 meters away is 30 decibel. Normal conversation is between two persons is 60 decibel. Heavy traffic is about 7 decibel. Ordinary factory is 80 decibel. Jet engine is 130 decibel. Start of ear speeding sound is 120 decibel. Hearing is temporarily affected by sound frequency greater than 1000 Hz and level higher than 100 decibel. This can result in temporary deafness. Worker who works near aeroplane engine experience this. Let's know about audible sound. The human ear can easily detect frequency between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Hence, sound waves with frequency ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is known as audible sound. The human ear is sensitive to every minute pressure differences in the air if there are in the audible frequency range. Now let's know about infrasonic sound. Have you ever heard the sound of the movement of your hand or of the movement of leaves falling from a tree? Let's try this. Swing an oscillator which makes 3-4 oscillation in a second and listen carefully for any sound it makes. That oscillator makes 3 to 4 oscillation in 1 second means that the frequency of the sound is 3 to 4 hertz. Human cannot hear sound of frequency less than 20 hertz. A sound having frequency less than 20 hertz is not audible to the human being. Therefore, sound having frequency less than 20 hertz is called infrasonic sound. For example, some animals such as whales, elephant and giraffe communicate using infrasound over long distances. Now let's know about ultrasonic sound. A sound frequency higher than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. Human being cannot hear such sound. However, some animals, for example a dog, can hear such sounds. Now let's know about uses of ultrasonic sound. It is used to clean delicate elements and the tiny parts of a watch. It is used to observe internal organs of the body. It is used to detect and identify tumors in the brain. It is used to detect faults in the metal. It is also used in radar system, that is radio detection and ranging. It is used to kill certain microbe and insect. It is used in sonar, that is sound, navigation and ranging. It is used to locate the seabed or the position of a ship. Let's know the relation between high and low pitch of sound and frequency of sound. The high and low pitch of sound is directly related to the frequency of sound. The pitch gets high when frequency of sound is increased, and the pitch gets low when the frequency of sound is decreased. Copy down the following assignment. Thank you for watching the video.